In our last video, we will look to highlight how the topics we've covered this semester transfer to other professions and aspects of your future career. Through the lens of industry professionals and former students, we gain a better perspective of how lab reports matter outside of academia.
Learning how to write lab reports became extremely helpful in further understanding scientific literature in other courses, and gave me a solid basis for how to write a paper in general. I ended up excelling in my writings in other courses. I've been complimented on them by multiple teachers from different courses.
When conducting research at an oral surgery office, my previous experiences in completing lab reports was very helpful. My past experiences helped me develop an outline and plan for a feasible research project, describe and document my work, and eventually report my findings and work in a professional research report.
I write requirements documents, which have to be very clear, very concise, and very specific. Otherwise, they can be interpreted the wrong way. If something were not written well, if requirements were misunderstood and the product was built the wrong way, we would not be able to deliver to the customer, and that would be a loss of millions of dollars to the labs.
The ability to form a logical argument has helped me with argumentation and advocacy. The understanding of how a scientific argument is constructed helps me to evaluate scientific claims in the media.
I have learned to analyze other texts more in depth as a result of analyzing scientific literature. This skill helps me to interpret all other texts, such as newspapers and articles, and question how things were done.
I think that a heavy dose of lab reports writing and paper writing as an undergraduate gave me an advantage at graduate school in terms of passing tests, writing my dissertation, and composing strong job application materials.
We hope these videos have allowed you to understand the function of lab reports in science and the transfer that scientific writing in general will have to other areas of your future career.